Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Vani. Today I am going to start a chapter data handling using pandas and data visualization. So this is your first unit. In that you have a subtopics like data handling using pandas 1, data handling using pandas 2 and data visualization. So today we will see data handling using pandas 1. I believe you know the basic concepts of Python and NumPy library. In this video, I am going to cover the topics Introduction to Python libraries, that is Pandas and Matplot library, data structure, that is series data structure. There are two data structures are available, series and data frame. In this video, I am going to cover the data structure series and creation of series from ND array, list and scalar value. Okay, let's see about Pandas library. Already you have learned about NumPy library in class 11th. Now we will see Pandas library. So Pandas library is a famous Python library for data science which offers powerful and flexible data structures that make data analysis and manipulations easily. So Pandas library हमें ये provide करते हैं कि flexible data structures to make our data analysis and manipulations very easily, and it also supports data importing and data analyzing much easier. Pandas builds on packages like NumPy and Matplot library. So whenever you need to use pandas in our program, we need to write a line of code at the top of our program as import pandas as identifier name. Here identifier name is optional. It works like alias name. So this statement will import the pandas library in our program. Okay, let's see about Matplot library. Okay, Matplot library is an amazing visualization library in Python for 2D plots of arrays. 2D plots like line plot हो गया, bar plot, scatter plot, pie plot, histogram plot. These are all the 2D plots. Okay, जो भी हमारे arrays की जो भी डेटा है उसको हम विजुअलाइजेशन में दिखाना है. ओके, विजुअलाइजेशन में दिखाने क्या फ़ायदा है, तो बहुत लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा को, ह्यूज अमाउंट्स ऑफ डेटा को आप इजीली अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं अगर हम ग्राफ्स में दिखाएंगे तो. ओके, सो फॉर दैट पाइथन हैज़ मैटप्लॉट लाइब्रेरी. सो जो भी विजुअलाइजेशन के मॉड्यूल्स हैं वो सारा मैटप्लॉट लाइब्रेरी पैकेज में होता है. वेन एवर यू वॉन्ट टू यूज़ दैट मॉड्यूल्स you need to import matplot library in your program. Data structures in pandas. So what is meant by data structure? Data structure is a particular way of organizing data in a computer so that it can be used effectively. मीन्स हमारे जो भी डेटा है कंप्यूटर में हम किस वे में हम स्टोर कर रहे सो दैट हम कभी भी हो इफेक्टिवली यूज़ करना है. Whenever we need to use the data, we can easily access the data. Okay, so Python pandas has two important data structures. Those are series and data frame data structures. So series data structure is one dimensional array and data frame data structure is two dimensional array. So in this video I am going to cover series data structure. I will post another video based on data frame. So series can be created using array, dictionary, scalar value. We will see briefly. Let's have a look into series data structure. It is like one dimensional array capable of holding data of any type like integer, string, float, Python objects, etc. Consider this example. It is a series which is a collection of integers. In this same way, we can create a series using collection of floats, collection of strings, etc. Series can be created using the following constructor. So whenever you need to create a series, you need to follow some syntax, that is pandas dot series data index d type copy. So these are the four arguments we need to pass. So what data is? Data can be anything like dictionary or list, tuple or else array. नेक्स्ट वन इज इंडेक्स. सो इंडेक्स की जो भी लेंथ है एंड डेटा में जो भी लेंथ है बोथ शुड बी सेम. डी टाइप इज डेटा टाइप एंड कॉपी इज कॉपी डेटा. So by default it will be false. Okay, let's create a series using array. We can create a series using array without index and with index. Now we will see without index. See this code: import numpy as np, import pandas as pd. As we are going to use modules of numpy and pandas, we need to import numpy and pandas package in our program. And the next one is data is equal to np dot array. As array is module of numpy, that is why np dot array. Here I am going to pass the arguments as ip, cs, maths, science. So these are the values, these are the items in my array, and I had stored these values into the variable data. Next, s is equal to pd dot series of data. As I have already stored my array elements in the variable data, I directly pass the variable data in series function. As we are creating a series using array without index, I'm not going to pass any index here. Next, I need to print that series. You can observe the output here. The index will starts from 0 to 3. So how it is? So as we didn't pass any index, so by default it assigned the indexes ranging from 0 to length of that data minus 1. So here the length of the data is 4 and 4 minus 1, that is 3. It ranging from 0 to 3. Let's create a series using array with index. So the first two steps are same. Import numpy as np, import pandas as pd. So these are the packages we need to import as we are going to use the modules of that package. Okay, and the next one, data is equal to np dot array. This is the same statement as we have written in the previous one also. See, the change is s is equal to pd dot series of data comma index. So here we are creating a series with index. Make sure the index passed must be of the same length. Okay, I will show you practically how to create series using array without index and with index. First, import numpy as np. You can use another variable. In the place of np, import pandas as pd. Here also in the place of pd you can write any other variable. Now let's create one variable and np dot array, and here I am going to pass string elements. See, this is not the single statement. These are the elements. I am separated with commas. minus 12th. Yes. See, these are my array elements. As I have to use array function in my program, that is why I have imported NumPy package in my program. Okay. Now let's create another variable, pd dot, I have to create series. Yes, using what data I need to pass here? Array data. Yes, so I have already stored that array data into the variable data. So let's print the series, that is print of s. So I have created one series using array and I have stored the data into the variable s, that is series variable. Let's run the program. See the output here. Yes, so 0 1 2 3 4. Hi, hello, welcome to class 12th. As I didn't pass any index here, then my default index will be ranging from 0 to array of the length minus 1. So our array of the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements. And 5 minus 1, that is 4. That is why 0 to 4. Our index is 0 to 4. Okay. So you can consider the series, you can compare the series with 1D array also. But the main difference between 1D array and series, you cannot observe any index while doing with 1D arrays. Okay. So let me show you. Data1 equal to np dot array of. So here I am just passing 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So these are my array elements and I have stored in the variable data1. Let's print that. Array elements. Let's run the program. See, observe here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here there is no index, right? So this is the main difference between series and 1D array. Let's see how to create series using array with index. In the previous example we have seen creation of a series using array without index. Now we will see creation of series using array with index. Okay, so here also I need to import two packages, those are NumPy and Pandas, as I am going to use array function and series function in my program. That is why I have imported NumPy package and Pandas package. Okay, so here the variable identifier names are optional. You can use any other identifier names here, that is np and pd. Next, data is equal to np dot array. So here these are my array elements. Okay, the same elements I have written here also. So I am creating series using index, right? So here I need to pass one more argument, that is index is equal to, and here one more point you need to remember, index length and the array length should be the same. Means the number of elements you have passed here, that is 5. So here you need to pass 5 elements in the index. Let's say I am passing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So these are my index elements. Okay. So let's next print series. Let's run the program. Yes, you can observe here my index is starts with 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay. Let's see how to create a series from dictionary. Till now we have seen creation of series using array with index and without index. Now we will see create a series from dictionary with index and without index. Okay, see, this is the code. Here I have imported pandas as PD. Okay, because I am going to use series function in my program, that is why I have imported pandas package here. And here data is equal to key to 2.5. so this is my dictionary. So as you know, dictionary is the key value pairs. So key 2 and 2.5, this is one pair and this is one pair and this is one pair. Okay, so these are the three elements in my dictionary, and I'm going to create a series using the dictionary. So I have directly passed this variable data into my series function. Later on I have printed this variable. Okay, let me show you practically how to create a series using dictionary. Let me show you practically how to create series using dictionary without index. I'm not going to pass any index here. So let's see how to create series using dictionary without index. Okay, so first step is I need to import pandas as PD. Okay, I'm not going to import numpy here because I don't want any numpy functions in my program. Okay, next let's create one variable to store dictionary. Okay, so as you know, dictionary is a key value pairs. It is a combination of key value pairs. So let's create 10, 20, 30. So these are my dictionary elements. Next I need to create one variable to store my series function. Next pd dot series of data, because I have stored the dictionary variables in this variable. Okay, next I need to print this series using print function. Okay, let's run the program. Yes, here you can observe, see, this is my output. Yes, this is my output. Key 1 10, key 2 20, key 3 30. Yes, here I have not passed any index here, right? So if you are not passed any index, then the dictionary keys are taken in a sorted order to construct index. Okay, let's see how to create series from dictionary with index. Okay, so this is my code. Import pandas as PD, and here my data, I have created one variable, that is data, and these are the three key value pairs, and I have stored these key value pairs as a dictionary in my variable data. Okay, next I have created one more variable, that is s, and pd dot series of data, as we are creating a series with index. Yes, using dictionary with index, so that is why we have passed index argument also. Here my index will looks like a key 1, key 2, key 3, key 4. See, you can observe here I have created the dictionary with three value pairs, three key value pairs, and I have passed the index with 4 elements. Okay, let's observe the output here. See, in key 4 we are not passed any value. Yes, so that is why NaN, it will shows NaN, that is not a number. Okay, so let's see practically how to create series from dictionary with index. Let's see how to create series using dictionary with index. Okay, so let me import pandas package in my program. Import pandas as PD. I have to create one variable to store my dictionary values, that is key 3 30 key 1 10, next key 2 20. Okay, so I have stored key value pairs in my dictionary, and my dictionary is stored in a variable data. Okay, so let's create one more variable to store the series values. Series of data. So as we are creating series with index, we need to pass index also. Index is equal to, here I need to pass the index elements. Okay, so first I need key 1, key 2, key 3. So this is my order. Okay, so key 1 comma key 2 key 3. Okay, next I need to print the series. Yes, let's run the program. Yes, observe the difference here. Key 1 10, key 2 20, key 3 30. Okay, so as we have passed the index, what how the display will be here. Okay, observe the output here. If index is passed, the values in data corresponding to the labels in the index will be pulled out. Okay, means see, key 1 the corresponding value is 10. Yes, it will be pulled out, and key 2 corresponding value will be 20 and it will be pulled out, and key 3 corresponding value will be 30, it will be pulled out. Okay, so I hope you understand how to create series using dictionary with index. Till now we have created a series using array and dictionary with index and without index also. Now we will see how to create a series from scalar value. Scalar value means that is a single value. Okay, if data is a scalar value or single value, we must provide an index. Okay, so the scalar value will be repeated to match the length of the index. Let's consider this example. Here I have created one variable, that is s pd dot series, and here I am passing the my scalar value, that is 15, and I have passed the index with the elements 0 to 4. So when I printed my series, then the scalar value will be repeated with the length of that index. Let's see how to create series using scalar value or single value. My first step is import pandas as PD. Okay, next here I am creating one variable to store my series, and PD dot series of, here my data is scalar value, that is single value. Here I am passing 10 as my scalar value, and my index will be 4 2 3 4 5. Okay, so let's print that series. Yes, here you can observe. Yes, here the value will be repeated to match the length of that index. Yes, so here the length of the index is 4. Yes, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 4 elements here. Yes, so here 10 will be repeated with 4 times. I hope you understand the today's concepts. Soon we'll upload my next video with the rest of the topics of series data structure. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.